Sa ga ma pa ga ma ga
pa pa ma ga
ga ma pa sa ni pa
pa
ga ma ga
sa ma ga
tha ga ma ga
sa ni sa ga ma pa ni sa ni pa ma ga re sa ga ma pa ga ma ga
pa sa ni pa ga ma ga
dha ga ma ga sa ni sa ga ma pa ni sa ni pa ma ga re sa ni.
हाय मैम।
हेलो
हाय.
सो हमारे व्यूवर्स के लिए सबसे पहले हम ये बताएंगे कि व्हाट इज साउंड स्पेस एंड व्हाई यू स्टार्टेड दैट.
Okay, so the sound space is our labor of love. कामाक्षी और मेरी जो childhood थी वो एक म्यूजिकल फैमिली में हुई है एंड वी हैव रियलाइज्ड के the value that music can have in your life outside of being a musician, just to have that value, to have that friend in your life is something that has made such a big difference to who we are as people. And that became our aim to bring about music in as many people's lives as we could.
Yeah, so I think for us, music was part of every day. So we wanted to figure out a way in which we can bring music to people, in a way that they can also enjoy it every day of their lives. So हर किसी को एक सिंगर बनना ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है, बट हर एक इंसान म्यूज़िक को अप्रिशिएट कर सकता है, राइट. उसे अपने इमोशंस के साथ फीलिंग्स, इमोशंस, और फिर आगे चलते चलते हमने और बहुत कुछ जाना म्यूज़िक और म्यूज़िक एजुकेशन के बारे में.
टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट योर चाइल्डहुड.
We actually had a very different childhood because both our parents were equally involved in our upbringing. तो जैसे बोलते हैं ना कि डैड्स ऑफिस चले जाते हैं, हमारे डैड एक म्यूजिशियन है, तो उनका हमारी चाइल्डहुड में इम्पैक्ट इतना ज़्यादा था. एंड हमारी मॉम एक शेफ़ थी, तो वी हैड आर्ट फ्रॉम एवरीवेयर इन आवर होम. So we grew up in a very beautiful environment, and we feel like that has created the kind of people that we are, and it has also given us that direction कि हम हमारी art के साथ क्या क्या कर सकते हैं, and that is what the sound space is. To bring you back to your earlier question, the sound space is that it is a space where we take music and we use it in every way possible to bring that joy and that love into as many lives as we can.
Any song that you remember from your childhood?
Yeah, so many. In fact, right now we are preparing for our annual showcase, and there's this one particular song that Dad used to always sing for us, and this year our students are singing it. We'll sing 2 lines of it for you. Yeah.
आ चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं एक ऐसे गगन के तले, जहाँ गम भी ना हो आंसू भी ना हो, बस प्यार ही प्यार पले, एक ऐसे गगन के तले.
How beautiful that was. Thank you so much for doing that. That was so nice. So डेली मॉर्निंग ऐसे ही आपका शुरू होता था?
एक्चुअली हम उठते थे म्यूजिक सुन के, और सोते थे म्यूजिक सुनते, और खाना खाते थे कुछ म्यूजिक बजाते. तो इट वाज ऑल द टाइम.
इवन पढ़ाई वाज अ टाइम्स टेबल भी हम लोग ताल में सीखते थे. सो एवरीथिंग वाज म्यूजिकल.
Fast forward to now, today's present thing, what sound space is currently working on?
So right now our project has been the Soundspace on Wheels, our biggest project. We do multiple things, but this is the one that we are currently very focused on. We work with we have a bus which we have created into a classroom. और ये जो classroom है ये मुंबई at the moment मुंबई की सारी बस्तियों में जाता है, in the communities. And we encourage the children from the communities to come in on a weekly basis and do a music session. Again, like Kamakshi mentioned, the end goal is not कि हमें सबको एक musician बनाना है, but the end goal is सबके life में music होना चाहिए, वो space for expression होना चाहिए.
So we use a lot of this very, very specific way of teaching, which is the social emotional learning process. And this is where you actually, through music, you learn to regulate emotions. For example, अगर हम सैड फील कर रहे हैं तो कुछ लोग ऐसे होंगे जिनको सैड सॉन्ग सुनना है, क्योंकि फिर उनको लगता है अच्छा कोई तो है जो मेरे इमोशन समझता है. या कोई लोग ऐसे होते हैं जिनको कुछ हैप्पी सुनना है, वो फीलिंग से बाहर निकलना है. सो हर एक इंसान के इमोशंस इतने अलग होते हैं, राइट? तो म्यूज़िक एक, आप इमीडिएटली रियलाइज़ कर पाएंगे कि म्यूज़िक हमारा मूड, एक सिचुएशन को किस तरह से चेंज कर सकता है. अगर मैं जैसे मेरे पापा ये एग्जांपल देते हैं हमेशा कि अगर कोई आपसे बात करता हो, उनका टोन ऑफ वॉइस से आपको पता चल जाता है कि मुझे ये कॉन्वर्जेशन आगे लेना है या नहीं लेना है, यू नो. तो ये जो एक साउंड, इसीलिए हमारा द नेम ऑफ आवर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द साउंड स्पेस, क्योंकि म्यूजिक इज मेड अप ऑफ सो मेनी डिफरेंट साउंड्स, राइट? सो हाउ कैन वी यूज दिस to be able to really reach out to as many people as we can, not just children. Also, we work with elderly, we work with people who are really ailing, who are suffering. So, we use this एक music को एक माध्यम के जैसे हम use करते हैं.
Like you have mentioned, जैसे if somebody is feeling sad, then like what are the things that you suggest them doing?
You know, that's a very broad question because honestly, you know, there are so many different. I can only talk from the music point of view. There's no particular suggestion really. I think that if you have a friend in an art form, for example, during COVID, a lot of us were very lost. हमें पता नहीं था हम क्या करें, इतना सारा टाइम है, इतना कुछ है हमारे हाथ में, और काफ़ी लोग डिप्रेशन में भी चले गए. बट अगर आपके पास कोई ऐसा पैशन हो या एक ऐसी चीज़ हो जिसको आप प्रैक्टिस करते हो, या जिसके लिए आपको किसी चीज़ की ज़रूरत ना हो, तो आप, देयर इज़ अ बिगर चांस कि आपको इस तरह का डिप्रेशन देर से आए या ना, या फिर नहीं आए, यू नो. तो pursuing an art form is the most important thing we feel for not just children but for anybody. So I think a broader sense would be that.
Through music, how we can like heal the sadness?
That's a very good question actually, because सबका म्यूज़िक से रिलेशनशिप अलग है. सो कुछ लोगों के लिए, जैसे मेरे लिए लिखना इज़ माई एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ सैडनेस, तो मैं शायद 2 लाइन लिख लूँगी या मैं कुछ गा लूँगी एंड दैट हेल्प्स मी. बट कुछ लोगों के लिए कुछ हैप्पी म्यूज़िक लगा के डांस इट आउट करना इज़ द थेरेपी. एंड कुछ लोगों के लिए यू नो, लिसनिंग टू समथिंग सैड एंड एक बार टीयर्स निकाल के बस ख़त्म करके यू गेट आउट ऑफ द सैडनेस. तो हर पर्सन का रिलेशनशिप म्यूज़िक के साथ अलग होता है. बट there is a science that is called the Rag Chikits, which was in the Vedas, जिसमें each rag had a correlation with mood. So I don't know, that might be an interesting way to look at it, कि maybe if we we use this in healing when we use certain rags for certain outcomes. So agar for example Rag Durga is like the rag for power. So if someone's feeling very, you know, weak, low, under, I would maybe play Rag Durga for them. So but there's no one size fits all answer इसमें, you know, it's different for each person.
और क्या बताना चाहोगे इसके related?
There are different localities and different places where the bus travels to basically. So sometimes like say Monday को इस particular locality में होगा बस, Tuesday को यहाँ पे होगा, Wednesday को वहाँ पे होगा. But ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई भी आके बस पे म्यूज़िक करे, तो फिर कोई भी डायरेक्शन नहीं होगा इन बच्चों के लिए. We work with the local people of the area. So they gather a number of students for us. They gather those students and those students come to the bus on a weekly basis. जैसे आपके बच्चे कोई क्लास में जाते हो, फॉर एग्जाम्पल हर मंडे को उनका म्यूज़िक क्लास होता है, सेम वे इन बच्चों के लिए ऐसे ही क्लास हम करते हैं, जो एवरी मंडे सेम बच्चे आते हैं उस क्लास में और हर हफ्ते कुछ ना कुछ सीख के जाते हैं. बट ये लोकेलिटीज़ में बस जाके पार्क होता है. और ये कॉन्सेप्ट हमने शुरू किया इसीलिए क्योंकि इनके पेरेंट्स को टाइम नहीं था उनको ड्रॉप एंड पिकअप करने, या कोई गाड़ी ड्राइवर नहीं है उनको ड्रॉप पिकअप करने के लिए. तो इन बच्चों को लॉजिस्टिक्स के वजह से एक अपॉर्चुनिटी, एक चांस नहीं मिल रही है. बट बिकॉज ऑफ द बस अब उनको वो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, क्योंकि ये बस उनके घर के बाहर ही खड़ी है. तो जो बच्चे इंटरेस्टेड है वो आ सकते हैं इस बस में. तो इस तरह से हम अलग अलग लोकेलिटीज़ में जाते हैं. It's free of cost for these children. Yes, for the children it is free of cost. In fact, we just had a very huge international star come and visit the bus also. And so that was very exciting because लोगों को पता चल रहा है इसके बारे में और लोग अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं कि म्यूज़िक का इतना बड़ा महत्व है उनके लाइव्स में. तो
Yeah, I think that was the most exciting thing that has happened. We had Shawn Mendes come and visit the bus. वो आए, वो बैठे, बच्चों ने उनके लिए गाना गाया. We conducted a short session for him in the bus so he could see how it works. He gifted us a few guitars for our children. He then came out, he met all our students. It was, he sang for our students. It was really, I mean, to see that appreciation come from that kind of a star felt very good. And that's the other thing is these students जो म्यूज़िक सीख रहे हैं उनको बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिल रहे हैं. वी आर वेरी फॉर्चुनेट कि हम उनको परफॉर्म करने के भी इतने अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ दे पा रहे हैं थ्रू द साउंड स्पेस एंड थ्रू ऑल द वर्क दैट वी आर बीइंग एबल टू डू.
Any past work that they have done?
They performed at the Gateway of India last year for
they
something through
performed
the
for
sound space.
our annual concert. They got an opportunity to go for the Coldplay concert. So we provide them with multiple opportunities also. So it's not that they just come to the class. So they get multiple opportunities to perform, to interact with artists, to have these experiences which they've never really had before. So we're very fortunate for that.
Is there any way that the viewers can fund or like do something?
Yes, please. So that is the place where we are facing our roadblocks, to be very honest. बाकी सब on point है, हमारा curriculum on point है, हमारी teachers जो भी some of them they also come from these communities. So we are being able to give them also an opportunity to make money and run their families. We have beautiful, wonderful teachers whom we spend a lot of time training and building skills for. We have the students, we have people on wait lists, but money is an issue. So this is a real appeal to anybody who feels that there is some value in the work that we are doing. Find us, we will reach
The
out
bus
to
had
you.
to stop for a
We
few
are on
months because we
Instagram
couldn't run it.
as the
So what
Soundspace
Vishal and I
India.
do with the profits
Please
from
reach
our
out to us
company,
because
we run the bus as
getting
much
that
as we
CSR
can.
funding is
But
something that
once
we've
we
had to
run out of
actually
that,
stop
then
the
it's
show in the
not-
middle.
yeah.
Like, and it's not we are not able to grow it then because that our profits are limited. So it is an appeal.
So what is the way for you to generate the profit?
So we run music education classes separately. That is something that we do as a separate thing altogether.
In fact, now the children are performing on the 30th of March at the Royal Opera House. So, they are all performing together. So, this is also a place where the bus will be showcased. So, people can come and see that. And so, we create these kind of situations where people can come and see, but also the students get an opportunity to perform.
Very true, very true. Let's talk about sound healing.
So I think for us, it is just a way of life. Like we mentioned, we grew up in a musical home, and for us, that sound became a sort of a healing. I personally went through a very physical understanding of sound healing because I was practicing for my exams, for my Visharad exams, which are my Indian music examinations. And while I was practicing, you're a teenager, you're practicing 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours. And then exam khatam hote hi, pack up, I don't want to. I now want to sit in a coffee shop. So wo hua, and I realized that as soon as I stopped practicing, I developed asthma. So what had happened was it was always latent. It was always there. But because I was so constantly doing my riyaz and constantly practicing, I never felt it. And suddenly, because that practice had stopped and the breathing had stopped, I developed asthma. So that for me was a very big shift in the way that I thought about music and sound healing.
I think that working with children and adults as well, we have realized that music can have a real impact on their physical body, but more so the emotional and mental health also, right? So we started this very beautiful program for children with hearing impairment, basically. And they basically, a lot of these children have cochlear implants. Now, when you have that, of course, the children begin to hear, they begin, but of course, the speech is very limited then. So, a cochlear implant basically helps the children to start to hear. Okay. And so, the speech is impaired. उनको बोलना, क्योंकि अगर आपको सुनाई नहीं देता है तो आप बोल भी नहीं पाएंगे, राइट? तो जब आप सुन पाते हैं तब आप बोल पाते हैं. दैट्स द प्रोसेस, राइट? तो इस प्रोसेस को समझना और म्यूज़िक को किस तरह से हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं एज अ फॉर्म ऑफ थेरेपी to be able to help these children to be able to listen better and then speak better. So this is a lot of work, many years of work that we have done in this field to help children like this also. Neurodiverse children. How can we help them to do basic things like wake up in the morning, brush your teeth, have a bath, get ready, go to school, just this process. So we put music into that. And the parents come and tell us the minute we sing the song or we do it in a musical way, the whole process becomes so much easier. So these are live examples
I
of
feel like
us,
that is, that makes so much sense because if you apply it in your own life, how many of us can really tell the alphabet without singing the song?
exactly that.
How many of us can actually say the colors of the rainbow without singing the song? वो एक बार
Yeah.
म्यूजिक में लग गया तो आपको जैसे लिरिक्स अरिजीत सिंह के गाने के लिरिक्स जैसे आपको याद है वैसे आपको अपना हिस्ट्री टेक्स्ट बुक नहीं याद होगा. Because it's there, it's in song, right?
Yeah.
And so you are able to internalize it
And also, I think music is a lot about repetition, right? Doing it again and again. And some people don't understand that. They're such a ये song तो हमने गा लिया, ये तो हमने कर लिया. But that's not how music really helps, right? You have to do the same thing again and again, and that becomes a form of therapy. That, like chanting, they say, right? Chanting is a huge form of music therapy. Once you start chanting or repeating something into the environment, into the universe, again and again, you are giving a very strong message to the universe. And that itself then has positive effects on your body. So this is how music as a form of therapy has been there for so many years, but we have never really understood and contextualized the whole thing, which we are doing now slowly and steadily.
एंड अगेन टॉकिंग अबाउट म्यूजिक एंड द हर्ड्स, अभी रिसेंटली ये टॉपिक काफ़ी पॉपुलर हो रहा है कि सर्टन हर्ड्स सुनने के बाद में देर आर सर्टन फ्रीक्वेंसीज दैट आर गेटिंग जनरेटेड इन द ब्रेन एंड दैट वे वी आर लाइक वी कैन डेवलप कॉन्सेंट्रेशन. अगर किसी को प्रॉब्लम है तो हियर दैट पर्टिकुलर हर्ड्स ऑफ म्यूजिक एंड यू विल heal from it or get a better concentration.
But again, I feel like, again, there's no one size fits all. So aisa, it is correct, it is scientific. I'm not denying that. I just feel like everybody needs a different kind of application of the same sound. Everything is a frequency. Even our conversation now is a frequency. If I'm talking like this, the frequency is different, So everything is a frequency. There is just limited awareness of this situation.
Yeah, like in music, it's very simple. The left and right brain both are functioning together. That's basically what you need. That's how you're working with children, you're working with anybody, is because your left and your right brain both, like you see a tabla player, he's ambidextrous, basically, he or she, they're using both the hands. So that means they're activating both the sides of the brain. And to be able to do that, your concentration will be top notch, will be excellent. And then that's why you will be more alert. That's why you will be more healthy. All those things then fall into place. So that's why they say always encourage people to play an instrument, because you're using the left and the right brain equally.
Using sound healing, do you have any past examples or experiences where someone has healed because of it?
So apart from myself,
Yeah, apart from you, definitely.
I don't know if we call ourselves doctors and have healed people. That's not what we are saying, and that's not what we are claiming. We are saying that your life, quality of life can be better. It can be enhanced. That I think we have been able to do for many, many, many people. But I have healed somebody का problem ही खत्म हो गया है. I don't think I would.
एक personal question है, do you believe in law of attraction or maybe affirmations and all?
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
very much.
We are very we are very much the kind of people that trust the universe blindly, and that's how life has always taken place for us as well. So
Yeah. So it creates like a positive impact and you can just manifest things, right? Okay, great. Because we talk about lot about like bliss and law of attraction on our channel, and again like the success stories and everything. So that this is the mandatory question that we have for you. Okay. So how do Soundspace see themselves in like next 5 years or 3 years? Like what are the goals that you guys are looking forward to?
Very importantly, we want to bring music to a lot more people. And we definitely want to work with people from various communities and bring Indian classical music, Indian culture on the global map where it is accessible to all. There's a very small audience right now which is listening to that kind of music, right? How can we enhance this? How can we make this better? How can we make Indian music relevant in today's day and age? So I think that's a very big goal for us. And also working with children from various backgrounds and actually helping them to experience the joy of music. I think these are the two main goals that
pan
we have.
India and global.
Yeah.
That's where we want to be.
Yeah.
So thank you so much, both of you, for coming on our podcast. I'm so glad that I've got to talk with such a different, like this whole podcast was such a different genre for me altogether, because talking about spirituality, then again like some psychological things and all of this करते करते then we are talking on this sound. मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था कि I would have like I would take this some like podcast, this topic someday, and I'm so glad. Like best wishes to both of you. It was great, and all the best for the future.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you so much, guys. Thanks a lot, guys, for watching this video. I hope आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. एक different topic हमने touch किया है और इतना beautiful काम both of these sisters are doing. ऑल द डोनेशन के डिटेल्स एंड ऑल्सो इनकी इंस्टाग्राम का जो लिंक है वो मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूँगी, तो प्लीज़ चेक करना. एंड डेफिनेटली आई वुड सजेस्ट यू कि आप डू हेल्प Soundspace, because that is so needed and they are doing such a great work and we should definitely help them, right? So please do that, and thank you so much for watching. मिलते हैं अगले podcast में with another personality and another podcast. Bliss out.
Sa ga ma pa ga ma ga
Pa pa ma ga
ga ma pa sa ni pa
pa
ga ma ga
sa ma ga
tha ga ma ga sa ni
sa ga ma pa ni sa ni pa ma ga re sa sa ga ma pa ga ma ga
pa sa ni pa
ga ma ga dha ga ma ga sa ni sa ga ma pa ni sa ni pa ma ga re sa ni.